Hey there, kitchen enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down appliance mysteries one error code at a time. Today, we're tackling the KitchenAid oven error code F3 E2, specifically for 2025 models. If your oven is beeping or flashing this code, don't panic. It's often fixable with a few simple steps. Let's dive in. First off, what does F3 E2 even mean? In KitchenAid ovens from 2025, this error code typically signals an issue with the oven's temperature sensor. It's like your oven's way of saying, hey, I can't read the temperature accurately. This could be due to a faulty sensor, loose wiring, or even a problem with the control board. The good news is that you might not need a professional right away. To start troubleshooting, ensure your oven is completely turned off and unplugged for safety. Wait about 5 minutes, then plug it back in and power it up. This simple reset can clear temporary glitches. If the error persists, grab a multimeter if you have one. It's a handy tool for checking electrical issues. Test the oven sensor's resistance. For most 2025 KitchenAid models, it should read around 1000 to 1100 ohms at room temperature. If it's way off, you might need to replace the sensor. Another common cause is dirty or damaged wiring. Open up the back panel carefully. Always consult your user manual first, and inspect for any loose connections or burns. Tighten them up if needed, but if you're not comfortable, call in a pro to avoid any risks. To prevent this error in the future, keep your oven clean, avoid slamming the door, and schedule regular maintenance. Remember, if you're dealing with an older model or the issue seems complex, it's best to contact KitchenAid support or a certified technician. There you have it, your quick guide to fixing the F3 E2 error. We hope this saves you time and frustration. If it did, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking.